This lesson is called the Paper Bridge Challenge. It was taught by myself, Ashley Meglich, in a second grade classroom. The next generation science standards that were met during this lesson were the kindergarten through second grade engineering, technology, and applications of science standard 2 and 3. Number 2 states develop a simple sketch, drawing, or physical model to illustrate how the shape of an object helps it function as needed to solve a given problem. Number 3, analyze data from tests of 2 objects designed to solve the same problem to compare the strengths and weaknesses of how each performs. And then the last standard, which was the second grade physical science standard, number 1, which states plan and conduct an investigation to describe and classify different kinds of materials by their observable properties. The learning targets that were displayed in the classroom during this lesson were explain how a bridge's shape can make it stronger, and perform tests to compare different bridge designs and determine which one can support more weight. The I can statements: I can explain the difference between a strong bridge and a weak bridge. I can explain why the shape of a bridge can be stronger or weaker. And I can construct my own paper bridge and test it to determine if it is sturdy or flimsy. The materials being used for this lesson were colored construction paper, blue tape, the paper bridge worksheet, and pennies to represent our people on our bridge. Now, prior to starting my lesson, I showed a short video clip of a bridge that collapses, and I explained to the students that everyone in the video was safe and rescued. And I just played the very beginning for them a few times so that they could get that idea, which is what I will play for you right now. I played the beginning of that video a few times for the students to see how a bridge may not seem as sturdy as they think. And as clearly shown in this video, people continue to go on it, and as more people go on it, the more weight causes the bridge to collapse. The next video you will be seeing is the instructions and the directions given to the students in the second grade classroom. And then you'll be able to see some of the students actually constructing their bridges out of paper.
All right, right now, I would like you to turn to the person sitting next to you, and I would like you to ask the person sitting next to you what you noticed about this video. I want you guys to take turns telling each other what you noticed about the video. Alex, what did you notice? That the bridge was sturdy. It was sturdy, or the opposite of sturdy? It was probably, if it was sturdy, that means that it held real tight and that nothing went wrong. The opposite of sturdy, right? It was kind of floppy, right? What did you guys see? What happened to the bridge? Raising your hand. What happened to the bridge? Raising your hand. Nigel, what happened to the bridge? Okay, it broke. Why did it break, Nigel? It wasn't sturdy. It wasn't strong enough. How do you know, raising your hand, how do you know that the bridge was not strong enough and not sturdy enough, Lily? Okay. Okay, Damien just said something. He said they could have walked one by one. But when you're walking across the bridge, you don't necessarily think to walk one by one. So did you guys notice that as more and more people got onto the bridge, the heavier it gets? The bridge got heavier, and eventually it collapsed because it was too heavy. Do you think that that was a good, sturdy bridge that was built? No. Give me a thumbs up if you think that was a sturdy bridge. Give me a thumbs down if you think that bridge was not sturdy. books will be apart again 10 inches. And what you guys are going to do is you guys are going to construct your bridges out of construction paper. If Mrs. M put her construction paper flat like this and I put pennies on it, would that work as a successful bridge? These are actually going to be a little bit closer. No, it's not going to work. It's not going to hold any pennies. So what you guys need to do is figure out how you are going to use this piece of paper and make it sturdy enough to hold pennies between two books.
Following the lesson, I had the students participate in a 3-sentence wrap-up just to end the lesson and tie it together nicely. Some of the students wrote, I learned that you need to make rails on a bridge. I also learned that they need to be sturdy, and next time I should make it even wider. I learned about bridges and that they are not always sturdy. Also, some bridges sometimes break when they are first built. I really liked that one. And some bridges cannot hold the same amount of weight as other bridges. Last one stated, I learned that you can make many kinds of bridges. I also learned that the shape of a bridge is really important and that making a bridge wide can hold a lot of people. Some higher order thinking questions that I came up with would be, think about what would happen if you were to use different materials to construct your bridge. For example, if we were to use foil, cardboard, or wax paper. What do you think would happen if we changed the distance between the stacks of the books, either moving them closer or farther apart? And what could you do to create a stronger or more sturdy bridge? And how could you make changes to the one of your original designs? So these are just a few of the higher order thinking questions that can also be incorporated into a lesson like this. Thank you so much for watching and for listening. I hope you enjoyed my video.